Hello children, welcome you all for the social studies video classes. Okay, in the last video you come to know about the continents. Okay, today in this video we are going to know about the continents one by one. Children, totally how many continents are there? Yes, there are 7 continents. Okay, here in your book the continents are given according to their size wise. Okay, Asia is the largest continent among all the other continents. Okay, here see continents. What is a continent? One of the 7 large land masses on the earth's surface surrounded by the sea or oceans in most cases, and usually consisting of many countries, is called as continent. Continent means, in the short you can say, the land mass, the pieces of massive lands on the earth's surface is called continent. Like that also you can say. Okay, what is a continent? A continent is a piece of land on the earth's surface is called continent. Okay, this is the answer for the continent. Next we will go through with the first continent, Asia. See, here the map is given about the Asia continent. This is the Asia continent. It's the largest continent. It consists of the half of the population of the world. Okay, and it's the largest, and it have the more countries within this only. Okay, this is all about the Asia. The given is here one by one separately about this. What is about the Asia continent? First one, it's the largest continent. I already told you, Asia continent is the largest continent, covers 1/3 of the earth's land surface. Because it is already largest continent, it's only covering the 1/3 land surface. The whole land masses is there, no, in together. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿನ 1/3 ಮೂರದ್ರೊಳಗಿನ ಒಂದು ಭಾಗದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, the land is there in the Asian continent only. Okay, in this third one, 2 of the world's most populated countries, China and India, belongs to it. India and China together only makes the population around 300 crores. More than 300 crores. That's all belongs to Asian continents. Okay, because in other continents the population is less compared to the Asian continent. Now I will turn the page. Okay, here we will go to the next page to see more about the continents. Okay, see, it is again about the Asia continent only. See what it is. It is bound by Arctic Ocean in the north and the Pacific in the east, and Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, how it is? See, again I will show you. See, Arctic Ocean in the north, where it is here. See, here in this part here, Arctic Ocean. Here it is in the Pacific Ocean. Here it is in the Pacific Ocean. In the up here it is now in the north, it is Arctic Ocean. Here down, Indian Ocean. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the east. Okay, Arctic Ocean in the north, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Okay, this is about the sea. Oceans are surrounded by the Asian continent. Okay, children. Next, here second one, what it is? The highest point of the earth, the Mount Everest, is in Nepal. It's also comes under the Asian continent only. Okay, here Mount Everest in the Himalayas. In the Indian map you saw, no, the Himalayan range. In that Himalayan range only the Mount Everest exists. That is a world's largest mountain, highest peak. Okay, the deepest point Earth's land surface, Dead Sea, is landlocked saltwater lake bounded by the Jordan. Here, next here this one, see, the deepest point of the Earth's land surface and Dead Sea is a landlocked saltwater lake bordered by Jordan. Means the Dead Sea. Dead Sea means a deepest salt water is there in the here only. See this part here, we can say here this part, the Dead Sea comes under here near the Jordan. Here it is the Jordan. Okay, see, you can see the here the Jordan. This is the Dead Sea. It is also comes under the Asian continent only. It's the deepest saltwater sea. Okay, understood? Next comes here, it is in the Jordan in the east and Israel Palestine in the west. Israel and Palestine in the west. Again we can see here, see the Jordan, the deepest and the salt water lake, landlocked Dead Sea. It is called as a Dead Sea here in this, here see in this part. Okay, Jordan in the east. Okay, in the east it is covered by the Jordan, and Palestine that side in the west. Okay, this is also comes under the Asian continent only. Okay children, next last one, there are 48 countries of varying size and climatic conditions from the freezing high mountains to sizzling hot deserts. In the Asia continent we have the very hot deserts also and very freezing cold climatic countries also. Around totally 48 countries comes under the Asian continent. How many countries? 48 countries. Okay, something special is given about the continent. See here, you can see in the first picture, Sumerian civilization. It comes under the Iraq. The Sumerian civilization, it is also very special civilization. They are also very unique in their styles. Okay, then it comes the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilization. It's civilization of India. Here near the Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, it consists of Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, that area that comes under the Harappan civilization. Okay, next compass, the first magnetic compass is there. It is also made by the Asian people only. Earliest script writing, woven silk textile of tomb, China. You already know China is very famous for its work. Okay, it is a weaving of the textile silk work. It is looking so beautiful, no? Yes, this is all about the Asian continent. Next we will move to the next continent. Which continent is the second one? The second largest continent, that is Africa. Okay, second largest continent. The equator passes almost through the middle of the continent. See here, see, they are already shown the dot is there, no? This is the equator. It is passed through the middle of the African continent itself, the equator, which is with a 0 degree. Third one, the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn also pass through it. See here, the Tropic of Capricorn and the Tropic of Cancer are both are goes around the here. See, Tropic of Capricorn, then Tropic of Cancer. The both goes around the through by the African continent. Okay children, then it has the 54 countries, whereas Asia continent has the 48 countries and Africa has a 54 countries within it. It is separated from Europe by the Mediterranean Sea and from the Asia by the Red Sea and a Suez Canal. It is where from the upper side, from the here, from this side it is separated by the Mediterranean Sea. It comes here it comes the Mediterranean Sea, and here see down a small canal is there. The small canal is there. Here you can see it is called as Suez Canal. Suez Canal, it is separated by the Asia. The Mediterranean Sea separates the Europe, and Suez Canal separates the Asian continent from the African continent. Here next, it is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the west. See here in the east side it comes the Indian Ocean. Here it comes the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, understood children? Next, here the world's longest river, the Nile, flows through the Egypt. Egypt comes under the African continent. Egypt comes under the African continent, and the world's longest river Nile flows here only. The largest hot desert, Sahara Desert, stretches across the North Africa. Sahara Desert is a very huge desert. It's a very long desert. See here, this part. This part is called as the world's largest desert in the North Africa. It's situated. Okay, and the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal in Egypt is man-made and trade between the Asia and Europe done by via this route. Sorry, here see I told you about the Suez Canal. No, it is the Suez Canal. Okay, it is created by the man-made. It's a man-made. The canal line madaro. They dig the land and they will make a canal there, a huge canal to pass the ships around through that. It is man-made and it's very special for the trade, to trade for via to Europe and the Asia. Okay children, understood? This is about the African continent. Just like Asia, Africa too has amazing physical cultural diversity. See, like that what it is? First one, Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls, the 7 natural wonders, one of the 7 natural wonders comes under the African continent. About which one? The Victoria Falls. Then here see the Kilimanjaro. You might have heard a song that Kilimanjaro Devi Parvat Kiyaro. That song you heard, no? Yeah, the song is, the mountain is there in the Africa. Kilimanjaro is a mountain, a highest peak in Africa. Whereas the Mount Everest is the world's highest peak. Like that, the Kilimanjaro is the highest peak in Africa. Okay. Next comes the local crossing. There are many deserts are there in Africa. In that, Sahara is largest, and next one the Kalahari Desert. Here this see the people are crossing the desert. Then it is about the gorillas. We can see the very varieties of gorillas in only African continent. More than half of the 700 mountain gorillas live in the dense forest of Rwanda and the Congo. Rwanda and Congo forest consist the mainly 700 varieties of gorillas, because it is the Africa is consist the very thick forest. Okay, the gorillas lives there in a large number. Okay, Africa is also rich with minerals, and it's with the copper, diamonds, oil and the gold also, minings also. For that, here this is the picture of the copper and diamond minings. It is a grassland. Africa have the very huge grasslands also. For that, the giraffes, lions, zebras, elephants roam freely in the grasslands. Like it's a eye-opening scene we can see. Correct? No? We see how the zebras and deers, lions, giraffes can walk because of they have the very vast grasslands. And river Nile is famous for its crocodiles. For what the Nile is special? It is the longest rivers of the world, and also it is famous for the crocodiles. You know the crocodile, no? Okay. The Maasai lady tradition with the beads jewelry. This photo is about the traditional dressing of the African people. More than 1,600 languages are spoken in Africa. See how many languages are there? 1,600 languages are spoken in Africa. Oh my God! See how much varieties of there. Correct? No. This is all about the African continent. I hope students you understood. No. Yes. Next we will need to move about the continent of North America in the next video. Today in this video I will stop here only. Children, do study well for your exams because we are need to conduct the exams. Take care. Bye bye.